As the world's leading access equipment manufacturer, JLG offers a range of electronic scissors, ranging in working heights from 7 meters 72 to 9 meters 60. Scissor lifts are used in a wide range of industries and applications, and the JLG range of ES scissors are considered as a premium option with a whole host of features to help increase worksite productivity and maximize ease of use. With 5 models to choose from and deck capacities offering 230 kilograms on our smallest model, the 1930 ES, and up to 320 kilograms for our largest model, the 3246 ES, there's always a JLG ES scissor lift that meets your requirements. So let's take a look at the ES scissors. We'll start with the drive system. All JLG ES scissor lifts feature direct electric drive. This means that they utilize the battery power much more efficiently than their hydraulic equivalents. Unlike standard hydraulic drive scissor lifts, the ES series power is sent directly from the batteries to the electric drive motors, so battery power is used much more efficiently. This results in longer run time and less downtime, and ultimately, less wasted time, which equals a more productive workforce. Less charging also means that over life, the batteries of the JLG ES scissor lifts last longer, lowering your total cost of ownership. Slide-out battery trays with steel cover are one of the many features to facilitate servicing. General maintenance tasks, such as refilling batteries, can be done in no time. The ES scissor can be controlled from the ground. Looking at the hydraulics, the JLG ES scissor lift uses very few hoses, just 2 as a matter of fact. Fewer hoses and parts means reduced maintenance requirements in comparison to hydraulic machines, but also dramatically less potential leak points. Less chance of spills makes this machine an attractive product in areas sensitive to contamination. Durability extends beyond the obvious. The JLG ES scissor lifts are constructed with wide scissor stacks. This reduces the effect of wear and tear, but also gives another benefit: a greater sense of stability for the one who operates the scissor lift. When you look closely, the steel deck of the ES scissor extends all the way across the base of the machine. While designing this product, we realized the importance of having a large work area, which is why we moved the entry step to the far end, outside of the platform, integrating them in the rear of the machine where they're well protected during operation. Now let us take a look at the work surface. All ES scissor lifts have steel decks that are nearly twice as thick as any of our competitors, reducing the costs associated with wear and tear. You also notice that there's no hoses or cables on the floor, so trip hazards can be eliminated, damages can be kept to a minimum, and of course, leaving plenty of space for workers and materials onto the platform. All of the ES scissor lifts come with a deck extension. With a quick foot release, the deck can be easily pushed out to expand the work area of the operator. The removable control box is conveniently placed at the front and uses the same controls as all of the ES scissor lifts. Lift, lower, forward, and reverse functions are all operated from a single joystick. Operation is very smooth as the controls are proportional, which especially comes in handy when moving the machine at full height. When moving the JLG ES scissor lift around in constrained areas or traveling through doorways, especially when operating one of the larger models, you can sometimes require the platform rails to be folded. On a JLG ES scissor lift, this is done through a 6-pin quick release system. By removing the 6 pins, the platform rails folds down and the lift can travel below overhead obstructions and set up in another area in a matter of minutes. JLG's ES scissor lifts will operate in many different environments and can be put to work in areas where perhaps flooring conditions might not be perfect. While loading and offloading or traveling over a ramp, the active pothole protection is automatically stowed out of the way when the lift is fully lowered, giving the ES scissor lifts one of the best breakover angles in the industry. We've reached the end of our walk around. To cut a long story short, if you're looking for a premium built scissor lift with low cost of ownership and which is comfortable and easy to use, look no further. The JLG ES scissor lifts are the operator's scissor lifts of choice. For more information, either visit jlg.com or contact your local JLG representative and ask for a demonstration.